welcome to today's video. We are at Sam's Club. Did you already take your belt off, Jackson?
No.
Did you ever put it on?
I put it on him, but I don't know how he doesn't have straps on.
How'd you get it off? Oh, he's got his arms wrapped around it.
Oh.
Here.
Anyways, we are at Sam's Club. It's been about 2 months since we've gone to Sam's Club. I was on a roll going about once a month, and then our Instacart, which is the grocery ordering service that we use for like Publix and Kroger, like our regular grocery shop, has added Sam's Club. So now I can get someone to shop. I can get someone to shop for me at Sam's. But today we decided to go. Hopefully this will be okay. And we're gonna bring you guys with us, and then we're gonna do a haul after this. So this is a little different than our normal hauls where I just show you what we got. You guys are gonna go shopping with us, and then the haul when we get home. Okay, so the very first thing that I like to do is I come to the seasonal area, or that's what I call it. It's like over here where, oh look, they have book bags and stuff. Where like all the kids' toys and summer stuff is out. And then in the fall, there's like the fall decor and then the Christmas lights and all the Christmas stuff. So I like to come over here because this is the section that changes the most. So we like to browse this first. Look at this folded up chair. Look how comfortable that looks. All the toys. Yeah, that kind of looks like Jane's.
This is the one that the cat. This is like mine, except for the cat. Mama, I always want one of these chairs.
Really?
Yeah, I know. I always want.
Okay, maybe for Christmas.
Whoa! Oh, there's like two dogs. Each one has ordinary.
We lost Chris and Jackson already, but I'm sitting in this office chair. I do not look like the looks of like these kind of office chairs, but Chris really needs an office chair because he works from home. And so it would be one thing if we just had like home office and we only sat there like for a few minutes a day, like doing mail or something, but Chris sits there all day long, and right now he's just sitting on a kitchen chair, like one of our kitchen table chairs. So he really needs a good, like, comfortable chair. So he doesn't want to order any online because he wants to be able to sit in them. So I don't think he even knows that Sam's Club has these. So I'm gonna find him and he's gonna test some of these out. The girls have found a really comfortable looking chair.
Mommy, you asked what it can do.
Okay.
It can spin.
Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. Okay, Dad. We found you some office chairs.
This one's a little loud.
I don't like that one because it's red.
A little loud. But look.
I love that one.
No. How about like this one I sat in was really comfortable over here.
Oh.
This brown one was comfortable, I thought. Jane, let Daddy sit.
Let me see that. Oh, is that nice?
Oh, never mind. It's $219.
Yeah, good expensive.
I can't get him away. He's still looking at the chairs.
Right there.
All right, let's go to the next aisle. Everyone hop on.
I was stuck the whole time. I can't put it. I was on Daddy's team.
Okay, you can go. Daddy's team. Okay, we're not getting these today. I don't think. I'm gonna show Chris, but our lights on our, Piper, come back. Our lights on our screened porch went out, or they're broken or something, I don't know. And these are really cool. So these are Bluetooth lights, but then they also have speakers somehow. So I think that's really cool. And then I also like these too because they change colors. Whoops, those. Okay, also, River decided that he was done eating whatever dog food we gave him before. He used to love it. Now he just stopped eating. We thought he was sick or something. He used to eat this one, this Purina One Smart Blend, stand up James, the lamb and rice. And so we decided to switch it up to see if he would eat it, and he did. And so now he's been eating good. So I'm trying to see if they have it. Oh yes, this is the one. Look, this is the exact one. Score! So now he likes the Pedigree Adult Roasted Chicken, Rice, and Vegetable. And this whole entire bag is only $25. So that is really good. Look at the pretty hydrangeas. The flowers here are always very good prices and very pretty. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we are done shopping. I am exhausted. That wasn't even that big of a shop. We'll show you guys what we got when we get home, but Chris went back in to go get that chair for his office. He gets an allowance at work, so he's gonna use his allowance for a new chair, which I think he definitely deserves and definitely needs. I persuaded him to get the nicest looking one, although it ended up being the most expensive one, but I think that it'll last the longest because it's a lazy boy chair. So we'll show you guys what chair it is when we get home, but that's what they're doing. So we're waiting for them. I'm gonna give the girls lollipops for being good inside, and then we're gonna head home. All right, we've set everything up. I told you it wasn't really too much, but I'll go ahead and show you guys what we got. So like I said before, I was really excited because we saw River's dog food there. Here is Chris's chair, which I'm super excited about for him. Then he also got these monsters that he likes to drink in the mornings. We also got Pop-Tarts. We normally don't give the kids Pop-Tarts, but these have Spider-Man on them, and they do like the strawberry ones, so we decided to get those for the kids. We got 2 things of eggs. We got watermelon. This was the only produce that we got, just because Chris is actually going out of town this week, and then we get the rest of our produce usually at the grocery store. We got ink for our printer because we were out. We got tape because we were out of tape. We got Cheez-Its and Nutri-Grain bars. We also got brownies. These are the best brownies. Every time I try out their brownies, they're not as good as these. So the Hershey Triple Chocolate Brownie Mix. And I don't think I've been able to find these at the actual store, the Betty Crocker. So I always get them at Sam's. We also got baby wipes. So none of our kids are in diapers anymore, but we use baby wipes still for everything. We use them for after the kids are done with their meals. We use them in the car, so we ran out. This will actually last us probably like a year. We also got Q-tips. It's a ton of Q-tips, but we were running out, so I just figured we'd get these at Sam's. This is the creamer we always get, and then the deodorant I use is this Secret Clinical Strength. So that is it. That's all we got at Sam's today. I'm super excited about Chris's chair. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm looking at my hair. It's been a long day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you liked the little shop with me and the haul, please let me know, and I'll do that next time as well. Let me know what your favorite thing is to get at Sam's Club, and let me know if you've tried this chair out or if there are any other chairs that you guys like for your office. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.